Hey, I'm Skylar. If you're like me, you probably get a little bit annoyed at the screen of your iPhone getting dusty. It has an oleophobic coating on it, which actually is supposed to prevent it from picking up all the sweat from your fingers. But your fingers are never going to stop sweating. And eventually, the phone screen is going to get a little bit, gross. That's what's going to cause dust to stick to it. So more than anything else, it's just how much of your sweat is built up on the screen that determines how dirty it's going to get. I discovered that the kind of anti-glare or satin screen protectors that you can find in various electronic stores actually make a really big difference in fingerprints and how much stuff gets stuck to the screen. And since I put one of those on, I noticed that I really don't see the fingerprints as much and that dust doesn't bother me. There are things out there, chemical substances that can reduce the amount of dust that sticks to the surface of a piece of glass. I don't really recommend putting them on your phone. You could potentially damage that coating that I just mentioned that prevents your oils from sticking to it. So I think, if you really are irritated by the dust or fingerprints, look for an anti-glare screen protector. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.